Hello, my name is Mitchell Hatton, and I'm an employee of the Marathon Public Library. Today I'm going to be taking you through the library website. First, we're going to search for the Marathon Public Library. So what we're going to do is our website is marathon.olsn.ca. You can also find our website by searching for the Marathon Public Library, and the website will show up in one of the options that shows up through Google. Before I start, I would like to note that the website may appear different depending on what device or internet browser you're using. So first here we have the home page. So this is where you can find any new information that has been added to the website. You will also find any important notices about the library on the home page, and there are also these buttons here that you can click to bring you to the most common pages without having to try and search for them. So what we're going to do first is we're going to go to About Us. So in this section, you will see a little blurb about the library, its location, and a little info about Marathon. So you will also see some buttons here. They may change from time to time depending on the website and what information we have available. So the first button that is here currently is Contact Us. So here you will find a list of contact information for the library as well as direct contact info for each library staff member. So next we have the hours and location. So the hours of the library may change. So this is where you can find up-to-date hours, and you can also find our address here, as well as a map of where we're located in Marathon. Next, you can find our frequently asked questions. Right now, we do not have any FAQs posted because the website is still being developed, but as soon as we have the information available, we will post it as soon as possible. Now, there has been another addition to our website, which is the library photos. So once you click on the library photos, you will be redirected to what is called Google Drive. This is where the library will be uploading all of our photos just because it's easier to access than what it would be through the website itself. So you can click on any folder you would like here, and you should be able to see the photos. If you have any troubles at all, please don't hesitate to contact the library at 229-0740, and someone will be able to help you out. So the next tab on the website is the library board. Here you will find information about the public library board, such as the board members, meetings and minutes, and the library policies. So right now, we don't have anything posted under the board members, but the members will be posted and updated as appointments to the board changes. The website is, again, currently being developed, so therefore this information is not available at this time, but we will have it available as soon as possible. The next section is meeting and minutes. So here you will be able to find future meeting dates, times. Every month they will be posted after the meeting when the next meeting is set. Meeting dates may change without notice, so please contact the library at 229-0740 to get the most current and up-to-date information. Meeting minutes will also be posted approximately 1 month behind schedule, as they must be approved at the board meetings. So again, we don't have any information for you at the moment, but it will be posted as soon as possible. Next is library policies. So here you will be able to find any library policies that are uploaded for public access. Again, we are still under the development of the website. So when you come back next time, you will be able to see some library policies under this tab. Next is events and programs. So on this page, you are going to be able to view current and scheduled events and programming for the library. Unfortunately, due to the current COVID-19 or novel coronavirus pandemic, we are unable to offer any events and programs. But once we are able to offer events and programs, they will be available on our website for you to see. The next section is the library catalog. So this section will be reviewed in a separate video just because there is so much to review in this section of the website. So to view the video, please go to the How to Videos tab and you will be able to see the video there. The next section is online requests. So on this page, you will find forms for library card sign up, interlibrary loan request, question, comments, or concerns form, and any other forms or requests that will be posted in the future will also be found on this page. So it is very simple to use. All you have to do is just click on the form you would like to fill out, and you should be able to fill out the form once they are available without an email. So next are our services. So the Marathon Public Library offers a lot of different services to the public. So here you can find the list of current services that are offered. You can also find videos under the How to Videos tab because there are services that are constantly changing. The videos will be posted there. That way it's separate from this video and it will be easier for you to access. So next we have the How to Videos tab. So under this tab, you will see all the videos that will be uploaded, such as printing that is newly available to our patrons. You have Overdrive and Libby and all other videos that will be uploaded in the future. So if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact the Marathon Public Library at 229-0740. We are always here to help you out. If you have any troubles, we may not have the answer right away, but we will definitely be able to try and get that answer for you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video, and we hope to see you soon.